Want to create Christmas songs for kids just like this?
Ring the bell, let the music play. It's the merry season, come and join the sway.
Well, today, I'll show you exactly how you can make your own Christmas music with an AI music generator. Can't wait? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't yet, the link is in the description below. Go ahead and download it, then follow the next step. Step 2. Generate your Christmas song. Once you open it, go to Audio and select AI Music. You'll see two options: Song and Instrumental. Choose Song. Then you'll find two modes: Basic and Reference Music. For this video, I'll be using the Basic mode. Now let's take a look at the new HitPaw Music 2 model. It provides professional-grade clear vocals and a wide range of singing styles. Next, describe your song. Simply type Kids Rhythmic Christmas Song, then choose options like Style, Scene, Instrument, Mood, Timbre, and Vocal if you want to enhance your track. After that, it's time to write your lyrics. You can paste your own if you've prepared them, or you can use the auto-generated lyrics from your description, which is what I'm doing here. It's super convenient. When everything is ready, click Generate, and your Christmas song will be done in just a few minutes.
Ring the bell, let the music play. It's the merry season, come and join the sway. Gather all together, everyone we know. Feel the Christmas spirit, let the good times flow.
Perfect for a kids-style Christmas song, right? If you want more AI music tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.